Yosemite backup. Just boom, boom.
Don't ever flex again.
Tighter wraps. There you go. So we'll all just get in the middle, Mason. There you go. And then we'll just put our butts. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, I think we're good. We just damn near pulled the whole tree over. Okay, good, good. Okay, that's good. Need to unwrap that and let it down slow, okay? Nice and easy, Bubba.
Yeah.
Hey, it's going, it's going. Give me this thing. You gotta pay attention to this, but let go of it. I got it. I don't know what you were doing, but it's going.
I didn't want to be tripping on this. I was gonna go around the tree with the bag that way.
Come on, Branch. Come on, Branch. Hell yeah, Bubba. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Look at that.
Holy shit.
Look at that, Bub. Huh?
Holy shit, dude.
Go! Pull it. All right, stop. Pull a little more, pull more. Stop pulling.